Okay, so I'm thinking about leaving the painting on the wall because when you walk in, you're like, oh, hi, this is 430 Burroughs Avenue. Hi, Bertha. It's nice to see you again. Then we go, oh, this piece of shit door won't close, so I had better pull it closed. Okay, then we go back over. We're walking into the living room, we're like, oh, look at how junky everything is and messed up because Melissa can't clean house because she's creating beautiful art. So then we're like, oh, look at these things. Oh my God, what's that beautiful creature? That looks like a real nice, handsome fella right there. I'm gonna take a closer look. Oh, he is very handsome. Oh, but you fucked up his hand. So now, oh, I said the F word. Sorry. So now you have to fix his hand because he's mad. I'm not really pleased with this glare, so I'm gonna go onto this side and see if I can. Oh, look at it's my big giant shadow. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and see. Oh, okay. Oh, that's even worse. Well, whatever. So I'm thinking about keeping it on the wall instead of putting it on the ceiling because it's really big, and although it's not quite big enough for the ceiling, I think it would be nice if that was the first thing I walked in and saw every single day when I came home from where I never go anywhere ever. Don't you? So I was just wondering, what do you think there? Should I leave it on the wall because I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna go make out with it. Okay, bye.